Welcome to Yatra Mitra, where efficiency meets innovation. Our solution provides a website for superior authorities and senior executives to monitor and manage operations, and a mobile app for staff members to track live updates and their tasks efficiently. This is an admin panel designed specifically for authorities responsible for managing bus operations. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of key metrics such as crowd statistics at bus stops, number of trips made, delays, and route data. These metrics are analyzed to support decision making processes, particularly when it comes to adjusting the frequency of buses. For example, if there is a high demand on a particular route, authorities can decide to increase the number of buses running there. Conversely, if demand decreases, the bus frequency can be reduced, helping to optimize resources. The admin panel also includes detailed information on each bus, including its driver, conductor, and assigned shifts. Authorities have the capability to register new staff members in the system and assign them to buses accordingly. Additionally, the assignment of staff to a particular bus and trip is automated using the machine learning algorithm named as Ant Colony Optimization Algorithm, ensuring efficient and optimized scheduling. The panel makes it easy for authorities to view the assignment of buses to specific driver conductor pairs. Another critical feature is the ability to view trip details of each bus. Authorities can monitor live bus locations, allowing them to see if buses are overlapping on the same route. If multiple buses are found to be running on the same route at the same time, this overlap can be analyzed. Based on how frequently this occurs, authorities can either decrease or increase the number of buses on that route to ensure efficient use of the fleet. A key addition is a route map feature that uses the famous traveling salesman algorithm solved with dynamic programming to find the best and fastest route after plotting points. This optimization enhances decision making, particularly in adjusting bus frequency based on demand. Lastly, there is a scheduling feature to handle emergencies, such as driver or conductor needing to cancel a trip unexpectedly. In such cases, new staff members can be quickly assigned to take over, and their assignment must be approved or rejected by the authorities before the bus continues its route. This system is designed to make bus management more efficient, improving the overall transit experience. This is a staff mobile application designed for bus operators and transport personnel, helping them manage their routes more efficiently. With real time updates, automated schedules, and easy navigation, our app makes daily operations smoother and more organized. Let's start with the login process. Here, staff registration is not required. Instead, staff members first log in with the credentials issued by the supervisors, which will be managed through the web interface of the solution. Now, this is our homepage. The homepage is designed to help bus operators and transport personnel manage their daily schedules effortlessly. It displays the date, attendance status, and total work hours at a glance. When a staff member starts their shift, they toggle on the availability button present at the top to check in. To successfully check in, the staff member must be near their assigned bus depot as the app checks the current location to ensure accuracy and eliminate false check-ins. When the staff member turn off the availability toggle to check out, they are prompted to select a reason. This helps maintain the record of the staff's activity and logs the checkout time and duration. If the staff member selects unavailable, all the subsequent trips will need to be reassigned to others, which is the purpose of this feature. Staff can also view their past check-in and check-out times as well as the trips they have covered on a particular day. In today's trip section provides a list of scheduled routes for the day. The backend uses scheduling algorithm to assign these shifts. After clicking on any route, the driver can see a list of all bus stops in that route. If the conductor checks in for a route, they must complete it as the backend will record that the conductor is assigned to the entire route. This ensures efficient management. The system checks the staff members' current and the expected locations during both check-in and check-out. Conductors can click on the map icon to see all the bus stops allocated on that route along with the current location. On the map screen, all bus stops are shown with red markers and a green marker indicates the current location of the bus. All routes are updated in real time using the backend. Now let's dive into the employee management features of this solution. Starting with the leave management screen. At the top, users can see their leave balance, approved leaves, and total leave count. Below, a detailed list shows recent leave applications with status indicators for easy tracking, providing information on the applied days, remaining leave balance, and leave type. The Create button allows for quick and hassle-free new leave applications. Next is the income details page. We provide a clear monthly breakdown of total gross income and net income, giving users full transparency over their financial performance. We have also kept a track of the trips completed by the staff member. The page displays the history of trips completed along with their durations. One of the most important features in our app is the emergency SOS. Whenever a driver or conductor faces an emergency, they can quickly create an SOS. As soon as it is submitted, it will be triggered in the backend and an alert notification will be sent to respective responsible people. The staff can select the reason from a list of emergencies covering various types and severity levels from minor to severe. We have also added quick emergency SOS buttons for situations where immediate action is required, making it easy to report an emergency even in hectic situations. In conclusion, our project revolutionizes public transport management with real-time data and smart technology. It optimizes routes, scheduling, and streamlines attendance and income tracking for bus operators and transport personnel.